5 ways to generate easy cash in America. America is a land of opportunities if you turn that thing right. Number 1 is AI based freelancer. Number 2 is rental strategy. Number 3 is real estate. Number 4 is Amazon to eBay. Number 5 is high yield cash. I will explain these 5 things in my video. Before starting the video, hello everyone, my name is Ankur Malhotra. Welcome back to my channel FinWithAnkur, and this is episode number 39 of Free Financial Education for the people of United States. Let's get started. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Number 1 is the way to make easy money in America is the AI assisted freelancer. The AI assisted freelancing, the gig economy has completely shifted. You don't need a computer engineering degree to offer high value digital services anymore. Small businesses are paying top dollars of things like content, simple email automation, basic thumbnail designing. These all can be done by the AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude. 80% of heavy lifting is done by these softwares. Number 2 is selling digital real estate. You heard it right. Number 2 is selling digital real estate, specifically templates and printables. Forgetting about physical products that require shipping and holding inventory in 2026, people are buying digital convenience. We are talking Nosh, productive dashboards, Canva, marketing templates, which are downloadable and can be reused in the real estate. Low maintenance income stream. People buy these templates. You can sell these as well. You build it once, you test it on Etsy, sell it infinitely. Number 3 is rental strategy. Coming it to at number 3, renting your unused assets. Look around your house, get an empty driveway in a busy city, an unused garage. You can list that. Number 4 is Amazon to eBay. Number 4 is Amazon to eBay. Drop shipping. Retail is still alive and well. This is easiest way to do it. Buy some things from Amazon, or don't buy some things from Amazon, just list some things on eBay. You get an around 3 to 4 days to fulfill, and Amazon delivers in a day or two. This will be very low warehouse space and very low startup cost. Number 5 is high yield cash and bank bonuses. Finally, number 5, bank account arbitrage. If you want the easiest money possible, you need to optimize where your cash sits. Just leaving your emergency fund in an traditional check-in account making zero interest, move it into a high yield saving account. On the top, US banks are currently offering massive sign up bonuses from $200 to $500 just for opening an account. So this is, you can do top 5 easiest way to earn money in 2026 in America, and see you tomorrow.